Okay, guys. So one of the proudest things I am about working with Spacekap and how we do things is how we work with fleet and leasing companies. You know, these guys they'll order 100 units, 300 units. We deliver on time. We deliver faster than anybody in the industry, and they know that. And that's why they like working with us. Plus, their customers are asking for Spacecaps. But it's just, you know, knowing what I know about, sales and being in the industry and things, nobody can deliver what we can deliver in the time frame we can deliver. I think we just did 100 units for a customer, exact time frame hit, exact dates hit, nothing missed. That's the way you do business, and that's the way companies want to do more business with you.
Yeah, absolutely. And these fleets, they got to have those techs on the road, right? So if they're waiting months and months and months for a cap to be made, that's one less tech out on the road. That's less money you're not making for your company. So to be able to commit to a actual completion date and have that shipped, so we can get installed on a truck is crucial, absolutely crucial for that company. And we come through every single time, and it's second to none.
Yeah, that's one of the greatest things about working with Spacekap. It's we have a team that's very efficient. They make things happen. We can rely on each other. We communicate the way we're supposed to, so our customer knows, hey, it's coming. Here it is. Here's the date, and we deliver.
Yeah, I remember when I first came to the plant. We've been doing this Spacecap's been doing this for 35 years, and I go to the plant and everything is so efficient. But they've been doing it for so long. It should be. But it's just you're walking through there and you're like, wow. It's like boom, boom, boom. There's no, well, I wonder what I need to do here. I mean, it's efficient.
Well-oiled machine.
And I expected this huge, manufacturing plant, all these people, and I'm like, man, it's just streamlined, and gets things done. And it's fleet and leasing companies. They love us. I love them. We love them.
Absolutely.
But it's neat to be able to under promise and over deliver.
Yeah.
That's the best way I can say it. So, good job.